How to fix your TikTok account was permanently banned. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through steps to fix your TikTok account has been permanently banned. So let's just head over and let's recover your account. So let's just get started. So first of all, let's talk about why does your TikTok account get banned. So the most likely reasons why TikTok might get banned in your first place is strict community guidelines and violations which can lead to a temporary or permanent ban. So if you have posted any kind of inappropriate content or spam or bot-like activity, or if you have violated any policy of the TikTok or you're using someone else's account improperly, that may be the reason why your account has been banned in TikTok. So if you have got any kind of inbox messages from TikTok, or even in the app if you have got any kind of messages, to prevent the further violations, you need to follow up some method. So first of all, open up the TikTok app and go to the login screen, and you can go and select send us feedback from your profile. Just head over to the profile, go to the menu bar at the top right corner and go to the settings and privacy. After that, you can go ahead and look up for the report a problem or support section here, and you're gonna go ahead and find out and appeal the form and explain your situation clearly. Be very polite and concise in your appeal. Make sure that you state that you believe the ban was a mistake or that you've learned from any kind of past violations. And if you don't see it here, you can just go ahead and open up a browser and go through TikTok support. Let me open it up and show you on how you can do it. So go to TikTok support, just type in that on your screen and hit the search. And here you can directly go over and submit your appeal and contact the support team of the TikTok, and be very patient. It can take up to a few days to a couple of weeks for TikTok to review your case and respond. They will either reverse the ban or provide you with a clear reason why your account remains banned, and that is it. And even if that doesn't work, then the only way is to create a new account. Just make sure you don't violate the rules and regulations in the new account, and that is it. I hope these steps help you recover your TikTok account. If you found this video helpful, useful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on social media management. And if you have got any questions, leave a comment down below and I will do my best to help you out, and see you in the next video.